So I'm not gonna make a video today. Just gonna wait and just gonna see if anyone gonna show up. It's just I just decided to do a live. See how fast this notification goes out. Turn the chat on. Take this off. So I'm not gonna do a prediction video today. I would like to, but I just wanted to do a live real quick. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. I have not sold any more shares. I watch my profits go sky high and low. I'm not selling any shares. Was it Armor? I'm not selling any shares. And if it dips way down, way below my average price, because I've seen it go, at one point I was like negative $200, negative $300. Those, when it hits that again, I'm gonna buy more. I'm buying more. I'm not saying for you guys to buy more, but that's just my investment strategy. Okay. Some people's, I mean, I had comments, people like, you should have sold it when it ran up to such and such price. And I'm like, you know, that's you. I have my strategy and I feel good at where I bought my shares at, 33. Okay. So no one can predict where the stock is going to go. People always saying things after the fact, after it ran up, because they can't say anything before because, excuse me, because they don't know. They don't know the price, where it's going to go. So I'm still holding. I'm holding all till the end unless they have to do a reverse split. Yeah, that's going to be the key thing, man. Like, I don't know. I mean, I said I wasn't going to hold through a reverse split either, but I'm looking at all the factors. I'm looking at a lot of stuff because this company really has a good potential to do some things, right? I mean, so far everything is kind of going in their direction. They just need to organically get above $1. It needs to just get above $1 on its own. Hopefully that happens soon. But for a company that's look like they're trying to do things, their market cap has went up. I do know that. So it's letting me know they're making some money. It'd be different if they were losing money, and then they're trying to do a reverse split. But they're making money, but they need to do a reverse split, okay, so they can stay compliant. I feel like if they do that, it's going to benefit the company. It's going to hurt us, but I don't know. You have every stock has its own situation, and it's like AMC, when AMC did their reverse split, you know, everybody was mad because they were losing money, blah, blah, blah. And I definitely wasn't going to hold through a reverse split on AMC. And that never really crossed my mind because I sold my AMC at 27. Okay. So I didn't have to wait until just now and it went through this reverse split and all this other nonsense. Okay. But AMC was just a totally different thing. And I'm watching this truck over here. But yeah, so I'm still bullish on TTOO, and I'm going to buy more even if it dips down. Okay, I came really close to selling my shares yesterday because I kept seeing it dip below my average and going back up. I'm like, I could get in at a better price, but I feel like, I mean, 33 cents, my average, I think that's pretty good. Okay. Now, I wish I had my 10 cent back. I wish I could get back in at 10 cents like I had before. But those, I don't think those days are coming back. Honestly, unless something bad happens. Um, how many shares are you holding or more? You guys, rest you guys on there. How many shares are you guys holding? The last I looked, the stock price was around 33 cents. I'm not going to make a price prediction video today, but I'm going to tell you what's happening. What I see happening in pre-market. Yesterday, the volume got up to like 400 and something million in volume. Like that was way, way above than normal. Okay. This morning, the stock is very volatile. It's making a lot of sales, a lot of buys, a lot, like it's moving big time. Okay. Big swings up and down. So it lets me know like something's going on. It's moving like this, very volatile. Something's going on. There's a lot of people got their eyes on it, and it's making big swings. Okay. So for a person that's into scalping, not financial advice, but if I was into scalping like that on a daily basis, which I'm not yet, but I'm getting there, I would take advantage of that. But until then, I'm not going to take advantage of it because I feel like this company has very good potential. Okay. Things are happening. I was optimistic that the FDA news would not put them over $1. There's a lot of sales off, and yeah, because because you know why? Because you always hear people ride the sell the news, ride the hype. You hear that all the time, okay? And when people tell you that, some people tell you that for a reason because it's true, it's true to a certain extent. But some people tell you that because they're going to do the opposite of what they're telling you, okay? Um, some, it was all hyped up about the FDA thing, and it's going to really shoot over $1. I mean, even I thought it was going to go over $1 as soon as they announced it, but I don't think everything's set in stone yet to where it's going to just run up like that. But I think in time it will happen. It's just my opinion. But people are trading different now. Like when they hear like a rumor, they're riding the rumor, and then once the news come out, even if it's good news that come out, some people just start selling right when the news come out because there's people on the other end that's going to sell after the news, like later after the news. It's just going to start selling off. So some people are trading different now. Like things has changed in the stock market from when I first got in the stock market. The things that I learned, I see people trading different, especially after the GameStop issue. Okay, people are just trading different. Period. When the apps came along, what's this? Watch that later. So when the trading apps came along and made it easier for retail investors to get in and trade on a daily basis, it just changed the whole game. Okay, now you got that. You have the AI in place. You got all these trading bots. You got all this other stuff that's in play in the market. So the market's going to adjust to that. Like it's going to find a way to still stay ahead. Okay. And a lot of times when we get news about something, it's too late. And I'm gonna give you a prime example. Like if you have Robinhood or any other app that says all of a sudden you get an alert, right? TTOO is up 11%. And by the time you got that news, it's already up. Some people that were down here made some money. So if you're not like in a stock, but you get an alert about a stock that's running, then there's people coming running in. They start buying, and it's already up here. Okay. So once that alert's sent out to people, it's only going to run up so much, just a little bit more, and then it's just going to start selling off. That's why I said they always send stuff. We always get stuff late. Okay. There's other people on the other side that get stuff way earlier than we do. Who's this? James. Okay, good morning. Gotta go. Have a great day. Okay. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Thanks for hitting that thumbs up. So, what time is it? I'm not gonna stay here long. Okay. So, I do think there's going to be some very big swings today. Okay. Just because of what I seen in the morning pre-market, how it was moving, it was very volatile. And I was watching my profits too, and that's a good indicator also. So I'm watching my profits go really high, then all of a sudden really low. I'm going negative again. Now back high again. So I'm kind of like, my average is 33. So I'm kind of like, I'm at this middle point to where my swings can go down to like $100 negative, or $100 positive, or $80 negative, $80 positive. It's like I'm in between. And I want to catch it right to where I want to sell it, but I want to catch that bottom swing. But today is very, very volatile. Okay. This is very possible that today I may scalp it. Okay. I may scalp it. If I hit a number that I like, I may just scalp it and wait for a pullback. But I don't know. We got to see what plays out and what news come out. And like I said, if you guys get any news, come to my channel and put a comment so other people can see the news, because people are out there online looking for news. Okay. Like I said, we're all in this together. We're all trying to learn the stock market, and we need to learn the stock market. We absolutely need to learn how to play this game, because for one, it's very hard to beat them at their game. It's very hard. Okay. So you might as well figure out how they're doing it and play their game. Okay. Figure out what they're doing and play their game, because that's the only way you're going to make money. No one, the SCCCC is not going to do anything for us. Okay. They're not. I don't care how many documents you send in or file a report. They're not going to do nothing. You can go up there and walk in front of the building. They're not going to do a thing. Okay. So keep that in mind. Like when I was in AMC, then I heard someone was getting together a petition. Go to this website, go here and sign this document. We're going to turn them all in and get this thing rolling. And when I heard that, I was like, oh my gosh, it's not going to work. And I know it wasn't going to work because these things has happened before. They already happened. This is not nothing new to the SEC, because this thing has been going on since the beginning of the stock market. It's been going on since the beginning of the stock market. So there's no way to stop that unless someone higher up come up and investigate the stock market and investigate all this stuff. Someone from the bottom, like a retail person, goes up and they start doing that, then things will change. But long as they're making money, they're going to keep making money. They're not going to stop these big dogs from making money, and they're not making money. But, okay, I guess that's it. Yeah. I don't see any more comments. I'm about to get off of here. And another guy over here. One of my coworkers, he approached me about Forex trading. I wanted to get in when I got out of crypto. Well, I'm still in crypto, but he approached me about Forex trading, and I'm really thinking about getting into it, but my mind is really set on the stock market now because I need to learn everything. There's a lot of stuff I need to learn, and I'm still learning, and I'm almost at the point where I can really invest a lot of money into it and do day trades, and then I'll be good. I'll be just good to go. Okay. But I'm gonna get into it later because I see a lot of people making money. All right, guys. So you guys got any more questions? Oh, before I leave, I see 5 people, 6 people. Put in the comment section how many shares that you're holding. I don't care how many, if it's 1, 2, it doesn't matter. Okay. Because there are some people that will pretty much laugh at you because you hold 100 shares. It doesn't matter. Okay. Because everyone's bank account is not the same. Everyone's income is not the same. Everyone's out here trying to make money. Let me know how much you're holding. Excuse me, guys. I'm trying to finish up. Because I got to go back to work. Okay. Well, I'm going to get off here, huh? I got to finish on my coffee, too. Okay. I grabbed another. Okay, cool. You grabbed 45. You got 1,000 Friday, yeah. Yeah, that was a good time, I think, for a lot of people to grab some shares. But hopefully this thing goes well and everything pans out so people can make some money to pay something off, pay their car off or something like that. Okay. So I have to go. Thanks, Jerry, for coming through. Thanks, R. Moore, James. And I don't see anyone else. All right, guys. Take care. See you in the next one.